Want to create a faceless channel that give you passive income? Then this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Divakar Singh and you're watching me on Divakar Singh Digital. On YouTube, you have seen so many videos with voiceover without any faces, and content seems very interesting to you and your mind says that you have to watch this video. That is the power of a faceless channel with great content and great thumbnails. And today I'm going to tell you 5 niches in which you can create your content and your channel, and you can grow it as a business also, and that will become your passive income source. So the very first niche is facts. In this world there are so many things that happen but are not easy to digest. What does that mean? It means people cannot understand how this can be possible, and you have to search for those topics and start creating content around it. The second niche is universe. So many people want to know how this universe works, and you can present that information in a dramatic way. Then your video will get maximum reach and views because so many people need that information. Now let's talk about our third niche, which is sports. There are lots of channels in this category that already earn so much money, but thing you should understand is that if you do not create content with the proper process, your video will get a copyright strike. So always follow the guidance, make your video according to that. The fourth niche is memes. You can create your memes with different character, or you can create your own character because memes are evergreen content. The last and final niche is pets. Whether it is a cat, dog or any other animal, just create content around them. And you can also earn affiliate commission by promoting pet products. Now it's your turn. Comment down below which topic will you choose for your faceless channel. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.